Friday, and we're back at the apartment.
It's the last day of February.
Yeah. And one of the last days that we'll be making this trip out. Hopefully.
Yeah. We are.
We're about
Well,
done
I
with
think
this
we're
movie.
going to have to bring the children over to the apartment tomorrow because they've been wanting to come, and I think it's a deep psychological thing to say goodbye. This was one of their childhood homes for the last 4 years.
True.
And we've had so many great memories here.
Yeah, that's true. We did.
This is going to be a really heartbreaking goodbye. I did not plan on moving. I thought this was going to be our home until the kids left the nest.
I didn't.
Well, you always wanted a house, and I get that. But I am an apartment dweller. I didn't want the whole property of the house. So, but
into it we go. All right, so we're gonna take a look around here and see what we got left. Let's go inside.
All right.
Let's see what we're looking at. Still doesn't look like we left. Oh my God. All right, here we go. All right, so it's Friday night, and we just got back with our last load from the house. Well, kind of the last load for tonight, at least. We plan on making one more trip back in the morning with all the kids, since they're going to be off from school, and they kind of insisted that they need to go back and see the apartment one more time before we're done with it. So it's become kind of an emotional thing for them. But tonight, I'm out here spending a little time on my patio. And actually what I'm doing is I'm cleaning out this refrigerator. This is the one that we bought with us back from the apartment. The one that sits in the corner. One of our personal ones. And as you can see, it's quite, well, you can't quite see. It's kind of dirty in there with it. But anyway, and it's dark out here. It's probably not the best time to be shooting the video, but I just wanted to give a quick update to what's going on. Friday night. Finally a night to, well, relax a little bit. We'll see what happens next.
I don't know. And everybody followed me outside, so I figured that's what'll go happen is that everybody will go outside in the morning.
It had a change of plans this morning. Instead of going back out to the apartment, we decided that we're going to spend the day here at the house and probably go Sunday for the last cleanup. So, we got a few things around the house here that I've been meaning to pay attention to. So I guess today will be a day to start. Probably gonna start with
Good morning.
The wife is up and about and paying bills. So it is the first of the month already. So today I'm gonna work on trying to get that tree off of my back fence.
Oh, you're gonna get the chainsaw out?
And get the chainsaw
Well, so we're not going to the house today.
No, I thought we had already decided earlier that we were going to take today to stay here and get some rest and get things done around here because we got so much stuff that we brought in.
That's fine because I really want to focus on bills and getting all this taken care of. This usually takes me about 4 hours just to make sure everything's done and update all the books.
Yeah, so while you're getting that done, I'm going to be out doing yard work.
All right. All right. Man, you know, babe, it takes me so long to do the bills because I'm always interrupted by
Yeah.
kittens and
Yeah,
puppies and best friends with coffee.
All right, I'll be out back.
All right,
I had to go out to the car.
Okay?
Of course. All right. Let me go get my camera set up. All right. Pretty much want to do this, see if this wireless mic is working. And just how well it might pick up. I'm getting ready to get ready to get the chainsaw out and start working on that tree situation over there on my fence. So let's get ready to see what that's about. All right. Well, looks like I got to do a little bit of unboxing here before we get started. I got here a Black & Decker corded chainsaw. So that's what I'm hoping I'll be able to use to get. Want turn off? In the living room. Okay. I'll look at it in a minute. Yeah. It's always something around here, so you know. So anyway, let's take a look at this. A short in the living room with the light won't turn off. Sounds like an open circuit type thing going on there. But we'll find out. Yeah, I just picked this up a couple of weeks ago when I was there at the Lowe's.
Okay.
And your hiding spot.
I shot him. I found the dart, so I shot him in the back of it. It said, "Hut me." If you can find it.
All right then. Are you shooting anything out of that? Oh well, you see how that. So let's see what we got here.
How did you even find me? I knew, guys.
You probably knew where you were gonna run to. Your first hiding spot outside is gonna be where the new bar out in the patio. That wasn't hard, Xavier.
I saw that.
Alright. That's what we're looking at here. So what is this for? Is this for oil? I guess that's an oil reservoir. I'm not sure yet. I'm gonna have to look at the manual on this one. I've never owned one of these before, so like I said, it's just something I'm hoping I'll be able to use to get some of this stuff organized around here, so we'll be able to get some kind of control over it. So let's see what it's got to say on that. It looks like we got some kind of a wrench there, probably to do chain adjustments. That's a nice looking chain. Looks pretty nice. Of course, because it hadn't been used yet, of course. So I hope you're careful over there, Alex. Don't run over any cords. Let's see where we are. I don't have my glasses on. I can barely see this stuff. But looks like I'm gonna need to put something in there though. I'll have to look at it. They might have even sent some. So let's see. investigate a little bit deeper into the box, as they say. Let's go into it. See what's at the other end. Looks like there's something in there. Let's see if I can cut it open and see what's lurking down there on that end. If anything, maybe just be box filler, you know. Yeah, just filler. All right. Let me take a look at what exactly I need to put in there as far as a fluid of some sort. Let's see here. Oh, okay. Automatic oiling for fast and smooth cuts. Lubricant. I guess it lubricates the chain. I don't imagine. Doesn't say anything about any specifics of what type of oil to use or anything. There's your bolt lock tensioner up there in the front. There's your bolt lock tensioner. I'd imagine that's what that tool there. That's gonna go on there. Make sure that you're locking in your blade. It's pretty basic. So we'll get some kind of oil to go in there and make sure that we're getting our fast and smooth cuts. I like that. It's tight there. Feels pretty sturdy. I don't even know it's plastic, you know what I'm saying? But, you know, it's pretty sturdy. Heavy material. So, let's, I think we can probably plug it in and give it a run. Without cutting anything right now, we're just going to see if it is a functioning unit, as you would say. So, oh, okay, so that's how you... Oh, not bad, huh? Alright, we're gonna get out here and see if we can't get that tree taken care of today. For sure. Get some of these tangles out of it, I might be alright. Alright. Let's run out there and see what we got. There we are. All right. Now let's see how we're doing. Just gotta get out there. Hopefully we'll be able to get everything out to the site and get these branches cut. All right. All right, I'm gonna try to get myself ready to get up here on this ladder and see what I can do about getting this tree cut off from my fence here. Hold on. Ah, we got a plug here for a saw. Which way are they going here? That looks like the big side. There we go. Alright, let's get up here first. Get this thing set up. Try to be best to take that off for the next run. Here we go. Alright. Alright. Don't know how this thing is gonna fall, but I do want to be up above it a little bit. I hope it doesn't. Probably fell. Hold on. I'm gonna go and safeguard myself here real quick and see if I can't get a spotter. Alright. Let me just see how this is first. I'll come over here and sturdy the ladder for me. And I'm gonna get up here and try to get a little cut going here. Hopefully I got enough cord. I probably need to be down there cutting, but I figure if we can get right in here. It unplugged. It was doing so good. Get me over that. Alright. Need to cut back farther because it's so dangerous to cut it right there. It's gonna fall, and it's gonna fall right on the fence.
But they're gonna crash it. Gonna like, if you cut it on that side, the heavy part is gonna tilt that way, so it won't hit the fence. It might hit you.
It might hit me.
But yeah, if you cut that side, that's the heavy part because you cut on this side. It's not a lot on the other side. That's why. So it will go down, and when it go down, that side will probably go this way. So it's going that way.
This part will flip
And that part
over.
will also fall down on you. won't fall, but it will hold.
Hold on. Let's get this piece out. Here, hold this.
Barrier, it will. It won't fall, but it's the dip between the trees.
Yeah, it's caught in there. So
What
I
I'm
need
doing
to
is
drop,
basically not use the ladder, just
cut from right there.
right here, so you won't climb down and try, and then you will get hit. But if you don't use the ladder, you will run away. And then you will get hit. Basically.
I need to cut it from the bottom. Hope it doesn't lunge back at me.
Yeah.
Hope it falls straight down.
Probably you won't fall straight down. That other tree is also carrying it,
Yeah, it's gonna hold that part up.
and this other stuff broken also. I just know that.
Let's see what that looks like. Watch out, get back. Ah, great. Fell with my saw inside of it. Now how do we pull that out? Now for another problem. Well, you see what happened? I don't even think we'd be able to start it up. Yeah. It's about to come down.
Yeah, hammer.
A hammer.
This is very a couple times it's gonna fall.
It's already in two. Yeah.
Just turn on just once to fall.
Hoping it don't make my fence fall.
It probably won't. It won't. It shouldn't have.
Alright. Alright, we'll have to see how to get this out of there. Careful.
Oh yeah, this is okay. It will fall, but it's the tensor is holding them up.
So you need to push it over.
Yeah, but this is awesome.
And it's gonna take the fence with it.
No, I'm gonna take the chainsaw.
Oh yeah, well the chainsaw is gonna break loose when it breaks loose with the tension.
That's what it's holding. I want to say that.
Will it turn on?
Maybe.
It's gonna take out the fence. See if it'll start. Oh no! Here, get back.
Oh, I wonder why.
It's right into it.
Let's see. Too.
Yeah, it's cutting into it.
Just get hammered. Just go done.
Now it's more on the fence.
I just kind of back that up. Back together. Oh yeah, see, yeah, it's better for this way.
Yeah.
The tree is about to make it slide this way.
We need to rope it off. A hammer.
Yeah, just bang it. Close eyes. It's like right there. Just bang it. Like, at least fun. Did that? It works.
We'll see. Go grab that axe or whatever. We're gonna see how we can get this over. Alright. With a little bit of hiccup, we're able to get it to a point now where you can see it's hanging on the fence. So we had to cut a few pieces out of the way there that we didn't want to get hit by in the process. But now we just need to get it unhung. Alright, let's see what we're gonna do here.
We don't know. Let's see how it works.
That's not.
Go. Ready?
Unlounge it. Go ahead.
I had it. Okay, it's his thing.
Let me see if I can grab it with the axe. What are you doing? Let me see. It's not. Make sure you're ready to get out of the way there.
Come on.
Here, let me see if I can push it off the fence. Let me use this.
Please tell me, was it in or that's a come on. Oh, no, it's still connected to the other one.
It's not off?
But it's still connected to the... You can try to hit the... Here's it. Here's it.
Where you want to hit?
Oh,
Where you see? Careful.
I can hit like...
Alright, here it comes. It looks like it's off.
One more right here.
Alright. There it goes. And it's down. Alright. Here it is. The mighty axe of Julian. Good shot, grandson. Alright, we need to get this thing cut up and cut out of there. Is it gonna make it move? You didn't get it all the way through or what? It should have dropped off. Come back over here and finish that off. You must have a part through there that you didn't get there. There it is. Alright. See if we can cut that little one out. Yeah. Cut that out of there so we can start pulling it out. Oh yeah, we're right in the danger zone. That thing decides to drop. Alright. I'm behind it. Careful now. Remember, you got that big old tree up above you there. We want that thing to fall back in front of you, not behind you. Hold on. You got it. All right. It's starting to come down now a little bit at a time, but we got to be careful of this big piece. We want to be careful not to be under it when that sucker comes down. I'm not sure which way it's going to fall, but we want it to fall in front of us. Yeah, or straight down, rather.
Sure.
Well, we might have to start cutting underneath it. You see how it's got all this holding it up? We might need to cut some of that out so that it'll fall back that way. Right there. That one there. That's good. That one. The closer we can get to that, the better we are. All right. Let's see if we can't get it down. If we can pull some of this one out here out of the middle to get it to lay down. All this wood we're gonna have to burn up.
Yeah, chop them up. That my fault.
Come on. There you go. Come on out of there. There you go. Alright. There's some good burning wood. Alright. Now, let's pull as much of this out of the way. What are we found over there? Fence. Okay. We have to cut all this up. Oh, yeah. Lots of cutting.
I'm here. Right now.
How's that oil reservoir? We still got plenty of oil in there? What have you been doing? Let me see what we got. Gotta keep an eye on it. All right, let's take a break and put some oil in this, and then we'll come back to it. All right. Julian, once you get him going on something, you don't like to stop until it's done. Grab one out of that fridge. I gotta figure out. Julian.
Hell no, the car is like 3 or 4.
All right. So, yeah, I taught my grandson into taking a little break here while I had to run to the store because seems that there's a situation that has been encountered with yellow jackets around the perimeter here in the area where we hang out a lot. So I ran to the local Walmart and I grabbed me a twin pack of this Hot Shot Wasp Hornet Killer. Let's see how that works. All right, we're gonna put it to the test here because I see that they are starting to try to gather in different little areas around the patio here. So I definitely want to try to warrant them against that. So let's get that ready. So yeah, it looks like I'm gonna need to get these taken care of really quick. Check it out. I'm gonna flip the camera around so you can see what I'm seeing right here up in this corner. Yeah. They're trying to get together up there. So let's see what we can do about that. I got one here that's trying to circle back on me. I don't need that. So let's see. Oh yeah. They drop like flies when they get hit with this stuff. Let's try it over here. See how they're starting to swarm around over here. Over in this area. Up there. Yeah. They don't like this. I don't like them at all. I've been stung already. So I definitely wanted to warrant them away from here. I don't want to deal with them at all this summer. So, yeah. Oh, they're coming back. I'm getting this stuff all over the place, and I hope they don't like it. So they'll stay away. Hope it just kind of soaks in, I'm sure. Yeah, that was an attack. I had to fend them off. They're still here though, look at that. They'll probably be back. There's another one over there. Trying to stick to the ceiling there. He's gone. All right. Wow. That was pretty wild. I guess I'm gonna kind of like chill out here for a minute and see if it keeps them away. Hopefully it does. Just got a little bit left to do down there on that tree project that me and my grandson were working on. And well, I'm gonna see how this is gonna pan out with the yellow jackets for a while. Take a quick little break, and then I'm gonna go back down there to the area and see if I can't finish it up. Hopefully I might be able to just go ahead and do it myself, or I might have to pull him back down there with me. I don't know, it depends on what the situation looks like. But yeah, they seem to be staying away. That's a good thing. Definitely. So my grandson, Damien, is helping me to lower the level of the pool without using the drain, because we don't want to draw any of the debris that may have settled over the winter at the bottom of the pool. So it's going to remove a few buckets because it has drained to this level, which is where the suspected leak behind the light fixture would be. So we're going to get it down just enough so that we can take a good look at it, see exactly where that leak is. I'm pretty sure it's in that plate though. So that's what that's about. It's another day. I'm gonna get started here. I gotta watch out. I'll drop my clumsy butt right down in there. All right. Can you see anything down there in the bottom? Because maybe we can run the drain a little bit and not hurt anything. I don't know if there's a cover on it. That's one of the things I was concerned about using the drain, because I don't know if there's even a cover on the drain in case there is something down there that can be sucked in. I can't tell. It's so dark. Yeah, it's too dark. But we're almost down low enough. But I mean, we may not get it today. We don't have to. We're not going to try to kill ourselves on it. It's just something to do that's going to help facilitate getting that hole fixed. So once we get wherever that leak is back in there, I'm pretty sure it's back behind that plate, then we'll be ready to fill it up and start the chemical retrieval of the water. So that's where we're at with that. Hi. Probably gonna get ready to finish up the rest of that tree situation back there here in just a minute. And, all right. So what I want to try to do is get some of this. No. Okay, I'm gonna try to get some of this underbrush cut out from under it so that, yeah, I can see how it's gonna fall a little bit better. Maybe. We'll see. Okay. Alright. There's what the real issue is. Other than when it falls into that. So we're gonna see if maybe watch out, get out of the way. Yeah, I know. I just this branch is getting ready to go here in just a minute. No, don't worry about the camera. I'm not that worried about the camera. I worry about you. Get up, move. I could hear it creaking. Come on. Come on down. Alright, I guess I can finish cutting that one out. Alright, the piece. You mean the saw? Alright, we're going right up in the danger zone here. It's almost like I need to be cutting it from the other side. Let's see. Maybe if I can get up a little higher. Wish I had one of that. Alright. I don't know, I hear it creaking. But it ain't falling yet. Watch out. Come on. I need to cut it back a little farther. Let it fall. Yeah. That's what it is. I need to get this foliage out of my way. That's gonna stop it. Hopefully. Alright, let's get up there. Yeah, there's always that danger. Alright. all sorts of stuff. Well, you see how it's hanging now. It's all caught up in the next door neighbor's tree and hanging over on my side. So I got to do something about it. I don't know what to do other than to get up here and cut it out and get it to drop right without damaging any more property or anybody getting hurt. Mainly me. So that's where I'm at now. I don't know what to do to get it unwedged other than to cut it out bit by bit. Uh-oh. Sounded like it was starting to go. I had to get out of the way. Yeah, that one big long piece here looks like it wants to come forward in the midst of everything. So, all right, well, it's coming down to the end of the day, and yeah, it's just me and the tree now. So not sure exactly. Yeah. Man. Well, you see for yourself. I got out of there just in time. My God. All right. I want to get some of this wood cut up. And yeah, I'll probably come back for this a little bit later. I'm just glad to get it all down out of the tree. Yeah, that's a good thing. All right, it's time for a little break, a little celebration. I'll be ready for that. As you may have figured, we're down to my favorite part of the day. The end. Yeah. As a matter of fact, I just got my low battery warning, and that's always an indication of another one done. I feel pretty satisfied today. I know I got a lot done. Well, it wouldn't seem like a lot when you think of it in the sense of the only one, you know, in a sea of many. And I believe that there are going to be many more tasks around here soon to come. So, yeah, I'm looking forward to all of that. I'm hoping you'll hang out and go through it with me. Until the next one, guys, I'll see you. Here's to you.